Today I'm going to show you how to make this very quick corned beef meal. We only need a can of corned beef to get started, so in less than 10 minutes, you and your family can have your meal. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or just like my family, we like it for dinner. Have it with bread or fried rice or plain rice is just fine. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you eat your meal. Let's get started!
Now we'll be using 1 big tomato, 1 big onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of oil, green chili, salt and pepper, and the main ingredient, corned beef.
On medium-high heat, I'm going to put a tablespoon of oil into the pan. I have sliced some onions that I will add into the pan as well. But I have added them too early, and that's okay. Here you go. Now you can actually cut your onions in rings, diced or strips. It's really up to you. Let's add the minced garlic and saute them until they're soft enough before we add all the other ingredients. This recipe doesn't take a long time to make. It's the reason why I like to make it for a quick dinner when I come home from work. In less than 10 minutes, you will have your dinner ready. Now tomatoes give this taste to this dish, and with some chilies, you're really gonna love it. And so, let's add the tomatoes. And yes, I'd be happy when you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. It's smelling good. It's looking good too. Now, if you really like it hot or really spicy, you may add the chilies as well. That way you can saute the chilies together with the tomatoes and all the other ingredients and get the flavor out from your chilies. Now we can add a corned beef. Mix them well together with some salt and pepper. Let it simmer, and I'm only adding the chilies towards the end because, like I said, I don't like it spicy. I don't like it hot. Okay, so here's the chilies. That's it. That's how easy it is. I hope you like this video, and let me know what you think on the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button below so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Don't worry, I don't upload videos every day. I'm not gonna bombard you with notifications, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, bye!